Good afternoon, everyone. This is Mr. Holland, and like I told you on Friday, I was going to go over the Microsoft IT Academy program e-learning central platform. Now, to make this simple for you, I will actually have the website on a daily basis added to our Edmodo page. Okay, so when you log on to Edmodo, you will have the e-learning platform direct link that you can use there. So as I've said, every day when you come to my class, you log on Edmodo. Once you're done with that, you will go ahead and click on the link to bring you to the Microsoft IT Academy program e-learning central platform. You will click sign in. Once you're done signing in, you will be at the platform central area. Okay, all you have to do every day is right here where it says take training. You're going to click go. Okay, and everything you do here is going to be through my learning. Okay, now I've already completed the first course, which is Beginner Skills Microsoft Word. Just to let every one of you know, when you go through the course, if you attempt to skip sections, you will not get a full credit for that particular area. Keep in mind, I'm grading you on class participation, classwork, and homework. Okay, this is the big thing here. I'd like to ask that you do all your work here at school, because all of the software needed for this program is found at Pickens High School in my lab. Okay, so basically, like I said, when you're going through, you can see I actually started this module here. I've only completed 2 of the 34 requirements for this particular module, and this one I've not done any. Okay, so just to let you know, when you're going through, I will use this one as an example. Okay, when you start this thing, you're going to go through your module overview, your navigation overview, course information. Lab information you can go ahead and click on. However, I have already pre-downloaded all of the items you need to be successful in this class. Okay, so the lab information, where it asks you to download a zip file, I've already done that for you and added that to all of your computers in the class. Okay, once you're done there, you're going to go to module overview. Alright, this may seem elementary once we start going through several of these modules, but please keep in mind it's about consistency. Remember, take Jekyll off, put Jekyll on. Alright, it's all about repetition and doing the same things every time you come to this module. Okay, now you have each of your sections. Alright, and once you're completed with it, you will have exactly what I showed you earlier. You will have a check mark, 33 of 33 completed. Okay, this is what I'm looking for. Alright, now when you're working through these modules, they're going to have lab assignments for you. The way you get your classwork, not your participation, but your classwork assignments, are going to come from going through these courses and doing the assigned tasks that it asks you to do. As a simple reminder, every one of you will have your tasks, your additional labs, and each of your I have a second period and fourth period and third period. Okay, for instance, if you're in my second period class, okay, you're going to go to these sections. When it asks you to go here, you come in and you have the document that you're going to be modifying and adding a picture to. Okay, some of this is very elementary. Okay, but this is stuff you're going to be working on. You will submit to me these in their completed forms, and yes, I do have the completed forms already, so I will know if you did the work. Okay, so it's all about you doing what you need to be doing and going through and taking care of all of these different assignments. Okay, now as you get into the later modules, which these numbers don't mean anything to you right now, but they will, because this one's the beginner, or this one's the beginner right here. This is the intermediate, and this is the advanced, okay? The module will tell you exactly where to go to get your files, okay? If there's any questions, you let me know. Again, you'll be working through these modules on a daily basis. Once you complete the Microsoft Word and we get into the mastery areas of Microsoft Word, keep in mind you will be tested through the MOS certification process through Microsoft to go ahead and get your Word certification. It is the goal for every one of you by the end of the semester to have taken this test. Some of you will complete these modules somewhat quickly. Those of you that complete the modules quickly, I will work with you on a separate basis than those that may or may not have problems, okay? So just keep that in mind. Now, once you're completed, again, always remember, you're going to be working through the Microsoft IT Academy eLearning Central, right here, just how I showed you how to sign in. And you're also going to submit your work to me through Edmodo. You're going to submit the work via the assignment turn-in button that we have talked about. And when you submit an assignment, this right here, file, is exactly what I'm looking for. So when you're done with an assignment, you will go to your respective folder, choose the assignment, okay? Double click on it. Let me just use this as an example right now just to show you. Okay, and you will ensure that your document has been attached to the assignment. And then you will click turn in, not send but turn in, okay? It's going to ask you to rate the assignment as always. Go ahead and rate it as to how you feel about the assignment and then click turn in, okay? This is essential for you to pass this course. It's up to you to turn in your assignments on time. It's up to you to turn them in and the platform that I've given you to do so, which is Edmodo. Please keep in mind, if any of you have any questions during the course of going through the Microsoft IT Academy modules, you can ask me a question at any time and I will do my best to help you. Thank you.